Warm greetings. In this session, we will be seeing about fabric construction and its impact on textile printing, like the construction of fabric, how the yarns are interlaced or interlooped. But in last session, we have seen about the introduction part of textile printing. So here in this session, we will be seeing about how the fabric looks, how the fabric feels when we touch or feel and the function of the fabric, but also its behavior during the printing process and the quality of the floral print. So there are different fabric structures interact with colorants and printing methods in unique ways. Below are some key fabric construction properties and how they impact textile printing. First one is woven versus knit fabrics. Woven fabrics are created by interlacing warp and weft yarns at right angles. The structure makes them more dimensionally stable, less stretchy, more consistent in surface tension. Because of their stability and uniform surface, woven fabrics are generally easier to print. The design stays aligned, the color blending is minimized. This makes them ideal for detailed patterns, precision printing, and sharp motifs. When we talk about knit fabrics are made by interlooping yarns. They are more stretchy and elastic, less stable, especially during tension and heat, prone to distortion during printing or after finishing. These characteristics make knit fabrics more challenging to print, especially with high detail or multicolor designs. Special care must be taken to stabilize the fabric before and during the printing process to prevent distortion or misalignment. When we talk about surface texture, a flat versus pile fabrics, when we talk about surface texture, it is about pile fabrics. So fabrics like plain woven cotton, poplin, or percale have smooth and even surfaces, making them ideal for printing. The print can sit uniformly on the fabric, ensuring clear, sharp, and even coloration. When we talk about pile fabrics, such as terry, used in towels like velvet or corduroy, have raised surface with loops or tufts of the yarn. This feature create uneven printing surfaces, ink absorption variability, blurred or patchy print effects. In this slide, we will be seeing about preparatory process of textile printing, especially about cotton. So before fabrics can be dyed or printed, they must undergo preparatory process. It is also called as a pre-treatment process. These steps are essential for removing impurities, improving fabric absorbency. So, first step is brushing. The purpose of brushing is to remove loose fibers, lint, and dirts from the fabric surface using rotating brushes. The process is the fabric passes over cylindrical brushes. In this picture, you can see cylindrical brushes which gently clean the surface. The effect is it provides a cleaner fabric surface, improves appearance and handle, and ensures better results in further process like singeing and printing. As I said before, in this picture we can see that again the yarn or the fabric will be passing through the cylindrical brushes, and then it is going for the singeing process. Singeing means to burn off surface fibers or protruding fibers. So here the fabric is passed quickly over gas flames or heated plates. And next is desizing. In desizing, it is done using enzymes for natural size or alkaline chemicals for a synthetic size. So in scouring, the fabric is treated with the hot alkaline solution like sodium hydroxide. So next is singeing process. The purpose is to burn off surface fibers or protruding fibers from yarns or fabrics. And the process is, as I said before, the fabric is passed quickly over gas flames or heated plates. We can see in the left side image effect, it produces smooth fabric surface. So next is the most applicable part is on woven fabrics and also some knitted fabrics, especially cotton fabrics, and it also improves fabric luster and print clarity. So these are the things we have to discuss about singeing process. And next we will be talking about the desizing process. So in desizing, the main purpose is to remove the starch content which is present on the fabric, or it is applied to warp yarns during weaving to protect them. So we have to remove the sizing agent which is present on the fabric or warp yarns. The process is desizing is done using enzymes, and its effect is it enhances absorbency of the fabric. It prepares for effective scouring and dyeing. So the balance scouring, bleaching, and mercerizing we will be seeing in next video. So until then, thank you.